Hello, carpet cleaning world. This is Roger Lloyd, your administrator. I wanted to apologize for last night. I wasn't able to do my regular Friday night podcast because the last couple of days I haven't been feeling my best. So today, um, got a little pick me up, and so I figured I would go ahead and try to give you something good. This is something really good if you listen to it. So just let's look at the title here. Selling carpet cleaning packages featuring HouseCall Pro CRM. Now everyone knows that I use HouseCall Pro. I just want you guys to see this. I was listening to Courtney over in Cleaners Connect earlier today or yesterday, and he was telling you how he was going to start doing more estimates, and he was telling you about some of the estimates that he had been doing. So this all is going to come together. Ladies and gentlemen, you know that I sell carpet cleaning packages, and if you don't know, now you do. Carpet cleaning packages are so much easier when you are a detailed carpet cleaner. Now, if you're one of them guys that just want to fly in and fly out, that's fine. This isn't for you. But for a guy that has the sealer door, that gives shoe booties, that does spot removal, that does all the extras that does pre-vacuum, your customers should know everything that you're going to do, because you're not like the average carpet cleaner. You're not really even a carpet cleaner. You're an indoor air quality specialist. But I'm not even going to try to get into that with you tonight. But what I'm getting ready to show you is how I get most of my jobs. And what you have to understand is, yes, the lady might be there when I give the estimate, but 9 times out of 10, she's going to have to discuss it with her husband. So if she can print this out and she can show this to her husband when he gets home, or send it to him by email, this is everything that's going to help you get that job. Let's take a look. Let's take you over to my HouseCall Pro. Come on with me now, and let's go to the HouseCall Pro land CRM. All right, let me get rid of this right here so we can see this pretty good. There we go. Let me get over to that page so I can scroll up and down. And I'm not going to show you my customers' information. So let me scroll up here a little bit and get some of their information off. There we go. I want you to see this estimate. Now, of course, it says it's an invoice because this is the job that they just got done yesterday. Now, I got a call over the phone, and the people wanted me to come out and give them an estimate. So let's take a look at my estimate here and how it's laid out. This is exactly what they got to their email. It says carpet cleaning packages. They selected, I offer 3 packages. They selected my Spring Fresh Quick Clean package. And right here, it says master bedroom. And then if you slide over, I measured it with my laser measure. It shows 194.75 square feet. And then the unit price per square foot was 37 cents a square foot. And that came out to $72 for their master bedroom. Now, also, look how designed this estimate is. So even if the husband wasn't there or the lady, this is the estimate that they got to their email. 1, don't lift a finger. We vacuum for you. 2, you move your own furniture or we can work around it. 3, professional pre-spotting with our professional spotting kit. 4, professional pre-spray is applied to remove all ground-in soils. 5, rotary steam extraction with a truck mount unit for the deepest clean. 6, a clear water rinse is applied. 7, carpet grooming after cleaning. 8, we provide surgical booties to walk on carpet until completely dry. And then 9 stairs are $3 per step with this package. Now, as I just indicated, they went with this package for the whole house because they were moving out. So as I'm going to scroll down, that was the master bedroom. As you can see, the next one is the other room on the 3rd floor, bedroom, that I titled so they would know what room I was talking about. They also received the Spring Fresh Quick Clean package in that one. That one was 167 square feet, 0.28, or 167.28 square feet. And then it was 37 cents a square foot. And then it showed them that that one was $61.89. Now, let's look at one more. The dining room. The dining room was 175.5 square feet, and then it was 37 cents, which brought you to a total of $64.94. And then it goes on. So now let's scroll down and see how after all this is itemized out, it brings you to a subtotal of $472.74. Now, the person that referred this estimate to us has a referral commission that he never cashed in for of $100. So he told me to give this to his whole client, which we did. So that's minus $100. The tax was $22.36. The tip, they gave us a tip for $39.51. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, all this was done in HouseCall Pro to bring us to a grand total of $434.64. Now, if this person didn't send cash in on his referral commission, the guy that the cleaning company that referred this job to us, he would have made $47.27 just for referring us this job, because we give a 10% referral commission. Ladies and gentlemen, let me just show you this again. Let's look at this right here. Don't lift a finger. We vacuum for you. We vacuum in all of my packages. We pre-vacuum in all of them. Now, this is the part that changes. 2, they chose this package. You move your own furniture or we can work around it. Remember, they were moving out, so they weren't really concerned about the furniture that was still there to be moved because it wasn't much there. Then it says 3, professional pre-spotting with our professional spotting kit. Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have some type of spotting kit, you want to get one. You don't have to buy the Pro's Choice spotting kit that I use if you don't have $130. What you can do, you can go to the dollar store, buy one of those little carry carts, and buy you some spray bottles and put your spot removers in that. That's still a spotting kit. Number 4, professional pre-spray is applied to remove all ground-in soils. Now, there's many carpet cleaners that don't understand what I mean by that. Come on, Roger, you said you pre-spot. Why do you have to mention that you pre-spray? Isn't that overkill? It most certainly isn't. I just told you, if we have to pre-spot, we use that little spotting kit. If we pre-spray every carpet for ground-in soil and traffic lanes just to loosen them up. And then we do a rotary steam extraction with a truck mount for the deepest clean. You have to understand, all of this is detailed out. Yes, I know what you're saying. Yeah, Roger, we do all that. So what's your point? My point is, just because you know what you're doing, your customer may not know what you're doing. And then carpet grooming. Well, first of all, 6, a clear water rinse or whatever rinse you use. I do a clear water rinse. You can put whatever rinse in you do. We provide surgical booties. we groom the carpet. Now, if you guys know Waldo, he's a big deal on grooming the carpet. Let the customers know that you're going to groom the carpet. Explain to them by grooming the carpet helps the fiber stand up to attention and makes the carpet dry faster because you're spreading the yarns. And then last but not least, the stairs in this package, I charge $3 per step in this particular package. But ladies and gentlemen, this is the estimate in detail, which comes out, well, if they print it out, it comes out to be 3 pages. If they scroll in their email, you see what it looks like. But everything is itemized out to the T, to the cent, to the price, so they know what they're going to get. Do you even understand what I'm saying? Did you understand how professional that looks to your client, especially if they're not there in front of you? I keep trying to explain to you I'm blue in the face. You want to set the standard in your target area, your target market, by which all of the carpet cleaners are judged, even down to your estimate, even down to the way it looks. You have to be the one that they say, well, you know what? Let's look at what this guy gave us, and let's look at what this guy. A lot of times, you guys are giving them a price over the phone. They're not thinking about everything that goes into what you have to do. Ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't tried HouseCall Pro, you can try a free demonstration before you even have to agree to the terms. What I'm going to do is, once again, as I have done many times, I'm going to put the link in the comment box below so you guys can try it. At least give them a call. Test it, take it for a test run. And then you see how I just have all my packages itemized out. Give it a shot. And then come back and tell me all your success stories. Hey, Roger, man, I was never crazy about doing estimates before, but, I listened to you in that one video, and that was crazy, man. Like, I started getting all these customers saying that, they wanted me to come out, and I was thinking I was going to go out and do all these estimates for free, and it didn't work out that way. Yeah, I know. See, the more professional you make your business, the more professional people are going to take you. They do not know all the things that go into carpet cleaning. They're thinking you're going to drag some hoses in their home and that you're going to what? Spray solution around and vacuum it away. They don't understand what goes into everything that we do. So you need to make sure in your estimates, and this also covers you in the end when they're like, well, what did you do for my money? Are you kidding me right now? Look at this. And then either let them print it out or bring it up on your HouseCall Pro and let them see everything that you did. There's no question. Now, this once again was free. You know what? I'm going to shut this one down because I don't want to mix topics, but then I'm coming right back with a whole nother topic. But I wanted you to see how I use packages, how I give estimates, and how professional it looks from the consumer's end when they receive my email. It sets me apart from all my competition. Even if they didn't use me, it sets me apart from all my competition. All right. You take that, you rewatch this, you give us a call if you need to get my 3-step letter on my package of my residential package folder with all this in it. And then you get your trial of HouseCall Pro. And I guarantee you, my friend, you will be on your way to making more money in this business than you've ever even dreamed or imagined or you ever have before. All right. Thank you. I'm going to take me a little 10-minute break here. And then I'm going to come right back with what? How to build referral sources. And what's that all about? Thank you. And you take care now.